That's Janet, and those are totem poles. We're at the Vancouver airport. YVR. She said concrete. I think they're wood though. And we're on a bus headed to the ship to Canada Place, to be exact, I think. Except we're parking for some reason. Maybe we're picking up somebody else. But we're going to board the Crown Princess and go on an Alaska cruise. More later. It's September 15th and we're starting to get fall colors. And of course there's downtown Vancouver. Straight ahead. A lot of construction going on here. So here it is, downtown Vancouver. Of course, the ship leaves in an hour or so, so we're not going to have any time to explore downtown Vancouver. Then we find ourselves at Richard Street. We had to go around because over the way we were coming, there was a protest going on. So we are officially in Canada Place. The Celebrity Millennium is over there. So I'm guessing the Crown Princess is over here someplace. Maybe right there. So we came upstairs to check in, and now they're sending us back downstairs to get on the ship because we have to go through security. So that's a new one. I don't remember ever doing that before. Anyway. Look, a seaplane getting ready to take off. So that's Stanley Park over there, I believe. And Whistler's out there somewhere. But we're now boarding.
As well as elite.
What does that mean? There's the ship. So the cool thing about Canada Place is you get to board on deck 7, I guess. Rather than 3 or 4. Ooh, seaplane. Come aboard. We're expecting you. Okay, so
you can meet live and in person in the casino at times and in the evenings. And she has created
Dolphin deck, port side. I think that's where our cabin is. So we're here. Let's see if that thing opens.
Yeah, if you don't want me to come in, just press this one.
It says the door's unlocked and the game's closed for now. Oh, the light didn't go on. Ooh, looky here. That's right. We got a mini suite with a huge tub. Whoa, Win Diamond Jewelry.
Van Gogh vodka.
Wait, this is our mini bar setup. I've never heard of Van Gogh vodka.
In Quintmore.
Glenmorgany. Oh, okay. Well, then it's not what I thought it was. Well, this isn't that big a balcony, but it's got a wooden table and wooden arms, although they're specced with paint. Port of Vancouver. Yeah, I would have liked to have had some time in there, but I think the ship leaves in a few minutes. So we're almost at the front. You see that? That's the bridge right above us.
Well, this is pretty good size.
Just met our room steward, Jumar, and he said, "Do you want some champagne?" And we said, "Yeah," because we didn't get the drink package this time. So
We'll be drinking all that.
have a great cruise.
To a wonderful cruise.
By the way, It's going to be our 45th anniversary in a few days. So
Yeah. Happy anniversary.
remember. Well, the ship's getting ready to sail. There's Janet. And it's crowded up here on deck. And they're playing some music and they're getting ready to do some dancing like they do every time.
They do, yeah.
And we're going to try to go this way. Hey. Here's the Vancouver skyline as seen from the ship. Of course, we're pointed right at the sun, so I'm not sure how good a picture this is going to be. Sorry about that. Let me slip in here, then you don't see it. You see? There, we're at the front of the ship. Monkey Island. I don't see anybody on it though. I hear bagpipes though. So we're on the Crown Princess and it's leaving Canada Place in Vancouver. We are underway on an 11-day Alaska cruise. Not sure what that noise is, but it sure is annoying. We're on deck 9. That is the bridge directly above us. Well, almost directly above us. I will say, just in case, that there is no shelter whatsoever here. In Canada Place. Ram speed. Nope. Oh, maybe. I guess we're going to try to get them as close together as possible. So since that's the front of the ship, we have to do a 180. I believe we go out that way. But we'll see. We'll see. So it sounds like they're turning the thrusters off. And now we'll turn on the rear propellers. Notice how fast we're swinging still. And head out through there. So as you can see, we're moving forward. We're not turning, mainly because we have to go around Stanley Park here. It's all these trees, and under the Lionsgate Bridge. So I think that's the Celebrity Millennium's horn they're blasting, which means they're probably going to follow us out. I don't think we encountered them in any other port. This is the Brockton Point Lighthouse. And Brockton Point Lookout, I guess. fly over the bridge, I'm guessing. Fortunately, we have to go under it. Janet's here. So, looks like the open ocean. It's really a fairly narrow channel. There's Lion Cape Bridge, Vancouver, and the Celebrity Millennium in our rear view. That's a lookout point up there. And that's still here. So from the Crown Princess, I'm Garrett, and that's Janet, saying we'll see you in the next port, which is not going to be Sitka apparently because of weather. Bye.